Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your GoodRx account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start saving on prescription medications. Step 1. Open the GoodRx mobile app on your smartphone or visit goodrx.com on your web browser. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. Step 2. Log in using your email address and password, or sign in through Google or Facebook if you use those options during registration. Step 3. After logging in, look for any notification banners or prompts indicating that you need to verify your email address. Step 4. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon or selecting Account from the menu. Step 5. In the account settings, locate the Email or Email Verification section to see your verification status. Step 6. If your email is not verified, click on Resend Verification Email or Verify Email to receive a verification link. Step 7. Check your email inbox for a message from GoodRx with the subject line similar to Verify your GoodRx email address. Step 8. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to GoodRx and automatically verify your email address. Step 9. You'll see a confirmation message on the GoodRx website or app, indicating that your email has been successfully verified. Step 10. Return to your account settings to confirm that your email now shows as verified. With a verified account, you can save prescription coupons, track medication prices, and access all GoodRx features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.